What is happening, BC Spirits? BC Spirits, Spirit Day number 261. I was like searching, because I have to search every now and then, like things that I haven't tasted. Like I always have to go through and go, okay, have I tasted this? Yes. Have I tasted that? No. And there's a lot of stuff in my back bar. I shouldn't actually say a lot of stuff. I think there's a few things in my back bar that I actually haven't put in the daily show. But not many. Not many at all. Like 265, I got 450 spirits in the back bar. Not many at all. So, what am I talking about? What am I rambling on about, really? I'm talking about the Maraschino liqueur from Okanagan Spirits. Now, what's Maraschino liqueur? It's basically a dry cherry liqueur, originally from Czechoslovakia, and then it moved over to Italy. And Luxardo is probably the most well-known Italian producer of Maraschino. Why is Maraschino important? Because it has been, and will always be, the original bartender's ketchup. Now, what do I mean about bartender's ketchup? Every bartender has a different bartender's ketchup. And bartender's ketchup is basically when you have a drink that you're just like, oh, there's something missing, and you go dash, or pour a quarter ounce, or pour in a half ounce, and then all of a sudden it's like, oh, there it is, love it, awesome, fantastic, let's do it. That's bartender's ketchup. It makes everything taste better. This was the original. I would say that curacao, maraschino, raspberry syrup, and pineapple gum syrup were the four main bartender's ketchups between Harry Johnson and Jerry Thomas. If you want to look it up, you look it up. One of them, I think Harry is maraschino and pineapple, and Jerry is raspberry and curacao. And they basically put them in a lot of cocktails in their drinks. So, why do we need maraschino liqueur? We need it for aviations. We need it for last words. We need it for crusters. Oh, what else? Technically Martinez's, like a whole bunch of cocktails that really use maraschino. But why do we want to go use local? Obviously, local's always best. This is a fantastic product where they really make it well. I do find this a little bit earthier than the traditional Luxardos and Cafos that we have on the market. Oh, so locally harvested sour and choke cherries, or craft distilled alcohol, which I would say that would be fruit alcohol. 9 times out of 10 with their fruit liqueurs, it's fruit alcohol, and then wildflower honey to sweeten. And now you start to get that on the nose. But you definitely get those choke cherries. You definitely get those sour cherries as well. On the palate, just chewy cherry goodness. Like, not pitted cherries. I think there's something very special. The choke cherries are giving it a very deep, stewed cherry pie sort of flavor profile. The sour cherries are giving that bright note. And then the pits, the seeds, the stems, the little things that get missed and thrown into the batch really bring a different element and different flavor to it. This is a fantastic substitute for your maraschino. I really think that you should be trying this. If you're a local bar and you're not using the using the Okanagan Spirits maraschino, you're really missing out if you really focus on local spirits. So, that's all for me. Have a good day, guys. See you guys tomorrow. Thanks a lot for the support. Bye.